Planning a trip to Germany but still haven't figured out the most important thing for getting around Berlin? Then you'll want to watch this. Today, I'll show you how to get an eSIM for Germany, what you need to activate it, and why it can make your trip a whole lot easier. Germany is one of those places where you can experience completely different vibes in just one trip. One day you're exploring Berlin, the next you're taking a train to Munich or planning a castle day near Frankfurt. And honestly, having good internet in Germany is a must for checking routes, bookings, translations, and figuring out public transport without stress. Maybe you've thought about landing and just buying a physical SIM card at the airport, but honestly, after a long haul flight, the last thing you want is to stand in line or to try to understand local plans in another language. That's why I'd recommend setting up an eSIM for Germany before you travel. So how do you get one? It's way easier than it sounds. First, you need a compatible phone. If you have an iPhone XR or newer, or a recent Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel, there's a good chance you can use eSIM. Just go to Settings, then Mobile Data, and look for Add eSIM. If that option shows up, you're good to go. The next step is buying your eSIM before the trip. And if you're wondering how to buy an eSIM for Germany, the easiest way is to do it online before you take off. With Olafly, for example, you choose Germany as your destination, select your travel days, and get a QR code sent straight to your email. After that, you just scan the QR code from your phone, follow a few simple steps, and that's it. You can install your eSIM from home and activate it when you land. So once you arrive in Berlin, you're already connected and ready to explore places like the East Side Gallery without worrying about finding Wi-Fi first. And honestly, when you're traveling around Germany, that changes the experience. You can check train schedules, use Google Maps to get to Unter den Linden, avoid roaming charges, and keep sharing your trip without connection drama. Good mobile data in Germany gives you one less thing to figure out while you're moving around. Now, quick heads up, not every eSIM works the same. For me, the best eSIM for Germany is one that's easy to install, has solid coverage, and gives you fast support if something goes wrong. Because when you're traveling, what you really want is to enjoy the destination, not waste time dealing with connection issues. And there's one more thing I really like about Olafly, Always On. It's a backup data feature where customers automatically get 1 GB of data every month in more than 70 countries. It's super useful for emergencies or unexpected moments during the trip. Maybe you have a layover before your final destination, your itinerary changes, your main plan ends, or you forgot to buy one before arriving somewhere new. You still have data to get online and sort it out. So if you're planning a trip to Germany, my advice is simple. Sort out your connection before takeoff. A good eSIM for Germany can help you enjoy the trip so much more from the very first minute. I'll leave the Olafly link in the description, plus an exclusive discount code you can use. And if you have questions about setup or compatibility, drop them in the comments. Safe travels and enjoy Germany connected.